Welcome back to another video, guys. So I took a trade on 2518 by trading on the close of the daily time frame candle. So guys can see I got into the trade at this point, the daily time frame. We're having this sell-off already. I took the sells in the night and it's past 7 here. I'm moving in good profits. So how I was able to take these sells? How I was able to know that the next daily candle would give us this sell-off? So firstly, I had in mind that the market was reacting to a level. For the market to get to this point and give us this sell-off, it means that there was a level at which it was reacting to. So I had to zoom out on the chart and identified the level I saw. I had this level as a level of resistance in the past, and currently the market came back. You can see the market selling off from here. Acted as a support here, gave us this sell-off. Now the market came back to the same level again and is giving us this sell-off. I also had in mind that the market has been moving in an uptrend. Identify this as a trend line as well. The market has been an uptrend for a very long time now, for some days and weeks, for about 2 months now. So we got the market moving in this uptrend, which I identified. The market has been selling off from this our trend resistance, selling off here, but got to this point, failed to sell off from this our level. Has been reacting to this our trend resistance, but failed to react at this point. But instead gave us a further move to the upside to come test this resistance level that we identified at this point. So I also had in mind that the market has been buying off from our trend support, buying off from here, buying off from here. Then I saw this last market formation at this zone. We had about 1, 2, 3 days, 3 to 4 days of bearish sell-off in the market before I took my sells at this point. We had about 4 days of sell-off in the market, which gave me a sell bias because I've seen that the market has always reacted to our trend resistance. Didn't really give us a reaction at it, but instead gave us a further move to the upside to come test our resistance level. So after the testing of our resistance level, we had this bearish engulfing candle that formed afterwards at this point. But before that, we had the market giving us this pin bar, which is a bearish reversal candle that pushed the market to the downside. So I waited for the market to give us a break inside this our trend line, like a break back inside this our overall market trend, because it's kind of broke out of it. So I had in mind that the market was pushing to come test this our trend support. That's what also added to my sell bias in the market. Then I saw the daily time frame candlestick formation at this point. How I was able to know that the next daily candle will give us a sell in the market, because I worked with the daily time frame structure, the levels at which the market is reacting to, the candlestick formations and the market structure. So I went to the forward time frame and saw that the market kind of gave us a break and test of a zone at this point. Like there was a break and test of this our zone. Support on resistance at this point. There was a breakout of this our level. The market bounced off this as a support. There was a break and retest of this our zone. So I also saw the 4-hour time frame candlestick formation, which is a nice bearish candlestick that we got after the retest of this our level. Like the market gave us a break, a retest. Then we had this candlestick when that followed up. When we zoom in the chart, you can see that we also had this pin bar. Everything is looking bearish. Like the market structure, the candlestick formations, everything is looking bearish. So I had in mind that the next candlestick that will form both on the daily time frame and on the 4-hour time frame will be a bearish candle, which the market did at this point. So I took myself at this zone. I didn't really set a stop loss or a take profit level, but I already had in mind that the market would give me these sells, and I have my target level at this zone at this point, basically at our trend support or horizontal support, because I've seen the market reacting at this zone as resistance, now on support, because the market is trading above it. You can see the market bouncing off here, support, break below it, resistance, and finally give us a break at it. So we are expecting the market to give us a further move to this our zone. We're expecting the market to give us a further sell-off to this our level at this point. So we'll be looking at for a market direction at this zone for a good buy as well, because I've seen the market direction, everything is going to the uptrend. The overall market direction is an uptrend, so we expect more sell-off to this our zone for a good buy. We could see more buys in the market in the coming hours. So being able to identify our candlestick formations, our market structures and zones in the market would give us an edge. So you can see that when we zoom out on the chart on the 1-hour time frame, we also got the market giving us this left shoulder here, the head at this point. The head at this point and the right shoulder at this point. So I got the market giving us this formation, which is a bearish reversal formation. So everything is just aligning. I just had in mind that there will be more sells in the market after I got this retest. Both the 1-hour time frame candlestick formation, the 4-hour time frame, daily time frame candlestick formations produced the same results. Like all of them gave the same information and produced the same results. We also introduced our Fib retracement levels, our Fibonacci 2. You can see that from our swing highs, our last highs to our last low, we got our last high at this point and our last low at this point. We can also see that the market reacted to our 61.8 level that matched up with our level that got broken, our instance level that got broken, that the market retested that. So I practically took these sells in the night, and this sell-off was produced overnight. Like we got these sells overnight. So I'll be taking some partials and be leaving the remaining positions to run up because I've not really paid myself in the trade. So that was able to take the sales on 751S. So if you enjoyed the video, please do smash the like button and subscribe if you're new. And to my returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys for always engaging in my videos, for always looking up to my videos. It really means a lot. Let's do more, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.
Oh!